Are you looking for the best Zinc RC cars? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Zinc RC cars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoolRC WLtoys 124019 RC car. The GoolRC 124019 RC car is a 1/12 scale off-road buggy drift car that is perfect for high-speed racing. With a built-in super strong, powerful and high-efficiency strong magnetic motor, this car can reach speeds of up to 60 km per hour. The 2.4 GHz radio system with anti-jamming capability allows for racing at the same time on the same track, with a control distance of up to 100 meters. The base is made of high-strength aluminum alloy with strong stability, and the zinc alloy gear has strong wear resistance. The hardware hydraulic shock absorber allows the car to conquer various terrains with ease, such as beach, snow, grass, mountain road, and rock road. What we like: high-speed performance, 2.4 GHz remote control frequency. Tough parts. Number 2. Jetwood JC16EP Fast Brushless RC Car. The Jetwood RC car offers an exhilarating experience with its powerful brushless motor, allowing you to reach speeds of 28 miles per hour with standard batteries and up to 42 miles per hour with an upgraded battery. This feature is perfect for those looking to enjoy thrilling races. The car is built for durability, featuring a sturdy chassis and metal components that can handle impacts and vibrations. You can easily customize your ride with various upgrades and DIY options, making it a great choice for both beginners and seasoned hobbyists. Plus, the advanced radio control system ensures a responsive and interference-free driving experience. What we like: high-speed performance, durable metal construction, upgrade options available, responsive control system. Number 3. GoolRC WLtoys 104001 RC car. The GoolRC 104001 RC car is a 1/10 scale 2.4 GHz remote control car with a powerful 550 motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 45 km per hour. With 4WD and strong torque, this car can perform thrilling actions on various terrains such as sand, meadow, mountain roads, or rock roads, thanks to its hardware oil pressure shock absorber and all-terrain adaptable tires. The 2.4 GHz radio system with anti-jamming capability allows multiple cars to race at the same time on the same track with a control distance of up to 100 meters. Made with high-quality materials like metal parts, high-strength aluminum alloy frame, and zinc alloy gears, this car is crash-worthy and durable, and users can even DIY to upgrade it. What we like: high-speed performance, 45 km per hour. 4WD with strong torque. All-terrain adaptable tires. Number 4. GoolRC WLtoys 144010 RC car. The GoolRC WLtoys 144010 RC car is a 1/14 scale racing car with high-speed performance, reaching up to 75 km per hour. The 2.4 GHz remote control frequency allows for racing at the same time on the same track with a control distance of up to 100 meters. It has a high-capacity battery that can work for 8 minutes after a 180-minute charge. The metal chassis and zinc alloy gears provide durability, and shock absorber performance can adapt to various terrains. It is easy to adapt to rough terrains such as beaches, snow, grass, mountain road, and rock road. What we like: powerful brushless motor for high-speed performance. 2.4 GHz remote control frequency allows for racing at the same time on the same track. Metal chassis and zinc alloy gears provide durability. Shock absorber performance can adapt to various terrains. Number 5. WLtoys 144011 14th RC car. The WLtoys RC car offers impressive features for outdoor enthusiasts. With upgraded hardware, this vehicle boasts a durable metal chassis and strong components, allowing you to tackle various terrains with ease. The multifunctional lighting makes nighttime driving a thrill, enhancing your visibility and style. Thanks to the overheat protection system, you can enjoy high-speed driving up to 43 miles per hour without worrying about damaging the motor. Additionally, the V8 remote controller provides one-handed control for a more flexible driving experience. Overall, these features come together to deliver an exciting and worry-free remote control experience. What we like: durable construction, impressive speed, nighttime lighting, overheat protection, one-handed control.